Huawei P50 Pocket in 2025, still worth it. Welcome to Techiato. In a world where foldables have evolved rapidly, the Huawei P50 Pocket still manages to grab attention in 2025. Originally launched in late 2021, this stylish clamshell foldable was Huawei's response to the Galaxy Z Flip lineup, and even now, it turns heads. Its design is where it truly shines. The symmetrical fold, ultra-thin profile, and the unique circular cover display give it a futuristic look that doesn't feel outdated even after a few years. The hinge feels solid and the phone folds completely flat, something that even newer foldables sometimes struggle with. The 6.9-inch-old main display is vibrant with a 120Hz refresh rate that still feels smooth and modern. While the Snapdragon 888 chip isn't cutting-edge anymore, it holds up surprisingly well for everyday tasks, social media, and even light gaming. However, there's no Google Play services, which remains a deal-breaker for some. Huawei's app gallery has improved, but it's still a compromise. The camera setup is also solid. A 40MP main camera and a 13MP ultra-wide shooter produce detailed, vibrant photos, especially in good lighting. The Super Selfie mode, which lets you use the rear cameras for selfies using the cover display, is a nice touch that many foldables still don't offer. Battery life is decent, but not impressive. The 4000 mAh cell gets you through the day with moderate use, and 40W fast charging helps keep you going. Still, compared to newer foldables, it may fall slightly behind in endurance. So, is the P50 Pocket worth buying in 2025? If you're into fashion-forward tech, love premium design, and can live without Google services, it's still a beautiful and capable device, especially if you find it at a good price. But if performance, software freedom, and long-term updates matter more, there are better modern options out there.